Good morning, it's immigration attorney Christian Zeller. It's Wednesday, July 22nd. I'm broadcasting from my home office, and this is your weekly immigration update. First, foreign students' legal status in the United States. Now, by now, everyone knows that the Trump administration has rescinded its proposed policy to bar F1 and M1 students from taking online classes only. Now, while that's good news, plenty damage has been done, and no one is quite sure whether this controversy is actually over. Rumor has it that the Trump administration may actually consider applying the new policy to new students only instead of those already in the United States. Now, at this time, there's no additional verifiable information on this available, and thus the March 13 guidance, which provides for maintaining F1 and M1 status while taking a full load of online classes, continues to apply until we, of course, hear otherwise. Now, foreign student enrollment in the United States, according to NAFSA, which is the Association of International Educators, has gone back by 11% since 2016, and enrollment at American universities for the 2020-2021 fall semester is expected to decline by 63 to 98% from the 2018 and 2019 levels. Next item, US consulates and embassies are reopening. Good news for a change. US posts around the world are commencing a phased resumption of routine visa services. Now, this process is, of course, governed by health and safety conditions in the various countries around the world, and each consulate or embassy makes its own decision when it is safe for them to reopen and what type of services they will be able to provide. Now, each post actually has an announcement on their webpage whether and how they have resumed visa processing. Now, what's applicable to all posts, and that's good news too, is that the MRV fee, which is the machine-readable visa fee, remains valid at the post where it was paid for at least 1 year. Well, this means if you have a visa application pending and then the processing of that visa application has been suspended because of COVID-19 and is now being resumed, you do not have to repay the MRV fee again if it is less than a year that when you have paid it last. Final item today, also good news, the travel and visa exceptions under the recent proclamations. Now, the last two presidential proclamations included travel and entry restrictions for persons who did not have certain immigrant visas issued on or before April 22nd of this year. And the second proclamation included H-1B, H-2B, H-4, L-1, L-2, certain J-1 and J-2 visas that weren't issued on or before June 24th. The good news is that on July 17th, 2020, the Department of State provided a detailed list of exceptions to those proclamations, including guidance on national interest exceptions for certain travel restricted applicants from the Schengen area, the UK, and Ireland. Now, if you're interested in any of those and you want to read up on that, go to travel.state.gov. That's travel.state.gov. And all you need to do is type COVID-19 visa services and restrictions into that search box. And again, that webpage is www.travel.state.gov and type COVID-19 visa services and restrictions in the search box. And all the proclamations will come up, all the exceptions, very detailed. It's very, very informative. And that's it for your weekly immigration update. And if you haven't done so yet, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel at immigrationhelpchannel.com. Talk to you next week. Goodbye.